Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Tinder account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your Tinder app on your mobile phone, and now you will find this kind of interface, right? Go ahead, tap on this profile icon in the bottom right and tap on this gear icon on top right section. Now scroll down and there you will be able to access this option of delete account in the bottom. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you do have another option called pause my account. You will temporarily be able to pause your account, and whenever you want to resume you can come over and use it. But if you would like to delete it completely, tap on delete my account in the bottom, choose a reason for you. Now go ahead, tap on this any option, tap on this continue to account deletion, tap on this delete my account option, and tap on OK. Now you can see the account has been deleted and we have been redirected to the sign in section. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.